Alright, good morning everyone. So, as you can see, it's fucking snowing. Okay. Crazy, right? But basically, it is 7:54 right now. And because it's snowing, there's no work. We can't work this week. We can't work in the snow. We can't work in our job. What we can do is working for ourselves. And that is trading. So, it's unfortunate that we can't work, but unfortunately fortunate I can trade. And so today we're gonna see if we can catch a trade. Today's Tuesday, so today's not a bad day to trade, and trade possibly on my funded challenge account. Yeah, we'll just see how it goes. But I'm about to do my bed real quick because I just woke up, and then I'm going to go into the office. So see you guys in a while. So this is water with electrolytes with caffeine. So when I was in Colorado, I would wake up and drink one of these. If you guys didn't realize, but I would drink one of these and it would get me going. So sometimes I'll drink coffee. When I have these, I'll drink these. Cause I like to drink coffee for the caffeine. I drink black coffee. I don't drink coffee with all these extra sugars and creams and milk. Like, if you're gonna drink coffee, bro, just drink it black. You know what I mean? So get the euro on the 4 hour. We can see that we have a fair value gap that we're respecting here. Fair value gap. We have a high up here that hasn't been taken. This is where I'd be looking to. So at this point, it's 9. Usually I like to enter trades after 9:30. So at this point, I'm still waiting, letting price give me some data to go off of. Once it gives me some data, then I'll be able to form a trade idea. But as of right now, we're bullish. I think I'm gonna go ahead and enter here once this candle closes. 15 seconds. There it is. My confluence for this trade would be, we manipulated at 9 a.m. lower, took out this low here, and then we pushed past this high here, and then we pushed past this market structure shift level, and after that we've retraced at 9:30 into this fair value gap, the fair value gap that displaced past this market structure shift level, and my stop is right below the first candle in the 3 pattern that creates a fair value gap, which is this candle here on the 3 minute. Because on the 1 minute, actually on the 5 minute, it would be this candle here. But based on the 3 minute, our stop is going to be below this candle here, which is like right at this fair value gap here. And we were also like in 50% of that fair value gap, targeting buy side liquidity, which has not been hit yet. So we'll see how this trade plays out. We'll see how it goes. Currently we're up $28, which is pretty good, not bad. So we'll just see how it goes. We'll just be managing the trade. Like you can see right here, we're in a bullish trend, and all the down close candles would be a good place to enter. So you can see down close candle, push higher, down close candle, push higher, series of down close candles, push higher, another series of down close candles taking out these lows, tapping into this fair value gap, manipulation to the downside, pushing higher past this high here, and then another series of down close candles tapping into this fair value gap after this high got displaced past, pushes higher, down close candles push higher down. You get what I'm saying. Ultimately, until we create a market structure shift, which we had that, or this low here, fair value gap taps into that, boom, right there. So it's looking pretty nice. Go back on EU here, GBP, see if we can see any SMTs that are trying to stop us. Probably see price continue higher after this, unless we're changing the state of delivery. Because as I said, if we're bullish, bearish candles should be respected with bullish candles right after. If we're bullish, so bearish candles respected with bullish candles right after, bearish candles should be respected with bullish candles right after. If it doesn't, right, let's say it doesn't respect, then this would be a market structure shift. So we have break of structure here, equal highs up here, which we can see it like taps into it, sweeps it, and then we put in a low here. So this would be our market structure shift level, and the body of this candle here would be CISD. And this fair value gap, we'd be looking for an inversion off of it. So we got the break of structure, we got the sweep, and then we would be waiting for a CISD or a market structure shift, followed by a fair value gap. And then this is only if price is not respecting down close candles. So in this situation, if this would have happened with a fair value gap here, tap into the fair value gap, we most likely would have seen price not respect the order flow. So, but because price is, as you can see, price is respecting bearish candles with bullish candles, we're still pretty bullish. So I'm chilling right now. I'm chilling, boys. 1 to 2, that's all I need. Be one trade. Actually, where did I enter in off of? I entered in 103.879, 870. So yeah, like almost, yeah, right there. That's where we entered, right there. Not a bad entry. And then our stop loss right below this low, so 103.822. So really, 1 to 2 would be here, but I'm gonna just target buy side liquidity, just cause. But if price closes below these levels, then I don't think that buy side would get hit. But what we're doing right now is we're just generating more buy side, so that we can manipulate lower and then take out all these highs. So it's currently 9:44 in New York, 8:46 in Central Timing. So yeah, I mean, we can see too that this bearish fair value gap here gets inverse with bullish fair value gaps, and then we respect these fair value gaps. So this is on the 1 minute too, like you can see here, 2 fair value gaps, price is respecting right now. So we had an SMT on GU failed to create a higher high as of right now. EU created a higher high here. So I don't know how I feel about this right now. Honestly, we should have went break even once price came up here. So right now, honestly, based on this, we're out at break even. Yeah, we're out there. We got out like right here. And as you can see, price is no longer respecting our bullish confirmations. This SMT confirmed it. Can still take another pretty good trade here. So So perhaps at 10 a.m. we get that retracement into the fair value gap, into the inversion, and then we push lower. I'll upload this to the Discord really quick. So at 10 a.m. I want to see a retracement into this area and a push lower. This is where I would take my entry. Stop loss would be around here for 2.7, targeting that low. And then the confluence for that trade would be break of structure. We had the sweep, we had CISD and market structure shift with displacement, creating a bearish fair value gap, which inverses this bullish fair value gap, and we would be entering there. And the reason that our stop is going to be right above this is because if price comes up, pushes lower, and comes up, at this point, you know, it's breaking past something that should be holding bearish. And if it doesn't, then at that point price may want to come up for that high, which is why our stop loss would be there. I mean, even more protected it would be here, but our risk to reward wouldn't be that good. So as I said, my analysis could be wrong, and this just could be a manipulation leg to take out all this liquidity and this liquidity, tap into this fair value gap, and then push higher. That could be what's happening. So I'm just being patient here. Okay, this candle closes bearish beginning. Ooh, we got doji. Manipulation sweep. Oh yeah, that's bearish. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, why did I not get in? 25. Alright, I'm getting in on this next candle. Once this candle closes, I'm getting in. Stop loss is gonna be right above this fair value gap. 20 seconds. Seconds. All right, I'm in there. Stop loss. Honestly, I might even put my stop. Yeah, I'll just put my stop right here. You can target a 1 or 2. Target this low here. Let me just tell the Discord that I'm in this right now. In this short on you. USD right now. Let's see. Let's see, boys. Oh, I forgot I took this trade. I thought I was forward testing for a second, but I actually took this trade. So 1 and 2 would be here. Let me see where we got filled. 103,883. So yeah, right almost at that candle opening price. Stop loss would be up there. 102. Yeah, 102 right at that low. Let's see. 103, 793. Stop loss 103, 928. 928. Stop loss of $22. So if we're risking $22, we have to be making at least 50. So 103, 793. So yeah, so right there would give us a nice $45 gain, and that would be a pretty nice trade. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my stop loss. Okay, and I have a mental stop at this high here. So I would really like to see this low get hit. And honestly, that wouldn't be a bad market maker sell model there, but we'll see. One break-even trade here that would have been a nice winning trade if we would have gotten out at that because I'm pretty sure we were up like $50 on this trade, but I wanted to wait for buy side liquidity to get hit, and I mean it didn't, but I mean I would say that was a winning trade because we followed our rules and we got out, and you know, yeah, so I mean I would classify that as a winning trade, and we also stuck to our, as I said, risk management. And so we're in this trade right here right now. We've just hit take profit, still not up $50. So I'm gonna go ahead and just be patient here. So TP has been hit, you know, but we still have this low down here that I want to see get hit. So I'm just gonna kind of let it ride, you know. There's no emotions right now. Like, I'm just looking at charts with lines, you know. I'm not even focused on the gain or anything. I'm focused on following my rules and building good habits. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some profits off once we hit $50, which would have us at, let's see what we would be on the account. So we're at 730, so that put us at 6, and we're risking 20 to make 50. So we would need 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. We would need like 14 winning trades to get this account back up to break even, which is definitely possible, but I mean it's not going to be easy. But frozen longs, TP hit. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even actually, for the purpose of the fact that we've already hit take profit. Looks like we're gonna get stopped at break even. Stop loss 103, 883. No risk on the table. We're gonna get out, break even if it hits us. If not, we'll let it continue riding. But I mean, I would classify this as a W because, I mean, we had the analysis, we waited for the time, and then we entered with good risk management, good 1 and 2. We hit that 1 and 2. But because my account is in drawdown, you know, if my account wasn't in drawdown and this was just a brand new fresh account, you know, I wasn't trying to basically like come back, then I would have taken some profits there. But because my account is in drawdown so much because of December price action, I'm going for low risk, high reward trades. But basically, I would classify this as a W. You know, maybe you classify it as an L, but in my mind, in my psychology, I would classify this as a W. So because price could still come lower and take out this sell side liquidity and then push higher for this buy side liquidity that still has not been taken. And as you can see, we just got stopped out at break even, but we took 2 trades today that hit a 1 or 2, but because we're trying to basically recover our account, I didn't get out. You know, because let's say we would have let those trades ride and it went from 50 to 100 on both. That is a $200 profit, and we would have been at $500 loss. So, you know, and we didn't lose anything. All that we lost today was $5. You know, we've been having good risk management, and we've been catching some nice trades. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. We took 2 very, very nice trades, and as soon as we got in, it ran straight to where we wanted it to go to. So I would classify both of these as a W because I stuck to my trading rules. I stuck to my plan, and what I was looking to happen, and I was waiting for it to happen. You know, like I was looking for something, and then I waited for it to happen, and then it happened. And then if it wouldn't have happened, then I wouldn't have got in. So I classified winning trades not based on how much money we made, but if we were able to come up with an analysis, follow your model that is in line with your analysis, take the trade and manage the trade with good risk management, good psychology whilst you're in the trade. And you know, because it's not about how much money you make, it's about can you follow your rules, and can you stay, you know, can you trust your word? You know, if you say, okay, I see this setup, and if this setup happens, then I'm gonna take it. This is where I'm gonna put my stop loss, this is where I'm gonna put my take profit, and then you stick to your rules and you do that, that is a winning trade, even if you lost money. So even if both of these were break-even trades, I would classify these as a win because I stuck to my rules. So let me know what you guys think about these trades. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want to join the Discord, I'll put the link in the description, where, you know, I'm trying to grow the Discord with more like-minded traders, with more traders who are trying to, you know, get payouts, get funded, or even just learn trading, you know, for beginners. Go ahead, man, feel free to join the Discord. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Road to 200. Shout out to all you guys for 100 subscribers. But subscribe to the channel, man, and stay updated with all the videos that I upload. And comment down below some video suggestions, man, because I need to know what you guys want to see. I need to know what types of value you guys want to gain so that I can make videos on those. So that was pretty much it for today's trading, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.